so clear on the Christmas gift you want, but you're not quite sure how to ask your partner for it? Well, maybe today's Girl Talk topic can help you with that. It is the art of asking for gifts. Okay. I have a theory.
Yes.
If your partner, I mean, there's nothing wrong with asking, but I think if your partner truly knows you, then typically they'll know what you like. Personally speaking, I like to be surprised.
It's a gift though. It's a gift though. Somebody think the person must.
No, Chef, not like that. Not an expectation.
I think the person should.
That's what I'm saying.
Leave the person for come up with the gift. I don't like the idea of you telling people this is what I want. Suppose them budget can make it. Suppose what you want or what you think you want, the person knows you, and when them giving you, say, oh my God, you know, I didn't even realize that I needed this. I don't like the idea.
Daily, I thought I didn't like the idea, but
I
Daily,
don't like the idea. And if somebody come tell me about this, they want, yeah,
okay. But if you are that type of person,
we're here to
and
help.
you would like to ask for your gifts for Christmas, we have some points to help you. One, this says, after looking at the thing you want, stare at your partner without saying anything.
That never get you a gift.
So hold on. So
you see, that's why women and men can't agree. You know? Looking at the thing you want and then look at the partner without saying anything.
Okay, maybe that would help, Jody. Maybe
you're all right. So you're good? Are you ready? Yes. Yes. Looking at the thing you want, then stare at your partner without saying anything.
I don't know.
Where you go? You go so, and then you go so.
Jody said you must raise your eyebrows. Or maybe in Jamaica. No, so you have to Jamaicanize this. After looking at the thing you want, you have to do what Jamaicans do when they're usually showing you something, which is not to use your eye, use your mouth. No? So here comes so.
One thing may I tell you. When you see the thing you want, and then you go so, you stare at your partner so, your partner go so.
Stare away. They like that.
I don't think that's going to work.
All right. Second
Pretend
one.
you've given up. I want this, but it's expensive, so I'll leave it. They're going to agree with you.
Yeah, I don't like this.
But tell you, say, foreign people think
I don't like this.
If it's a...
Him just going to say, me agree.
Worse, if him never think it's expensive.
Yeah. It's true, I want the money come.
Because next thing, him never think it's expensive, and then you go say, oh, you know, I wanted this, but it looks expensive. Him go say, you know, say, true? Expensive, it's true. No, sir.
But if you think it's expensive and exorbitant and out of the reach of his pocket, why would you show it to him anyway?
No, so it's expensive, but I leave it. So I'm saying it's expensive for me.
But you can buy it.
You must go buy it. That's really what the sentence is saying.
Okay.
I wanted this, you know, but it's so expensive. I'm going to go leave it. So him now supposed to say in his mind, oh my God, I can afford to give it to her, so let me buy it. Okay.
I think that one is kind of 50-50 to me, so I would leave that one alone.
What's around Sheffield?
No.
I think this is expensive.
That's
Them
more
are going to
like,
say yes. So keep walking.
That's not 50-50, that's 90-10.
If I reach my goal, buy me this.
What?
Using phrasing like this to attach conditions to your request.
If I reach my goal, buy me this? Irene. No, but anybody who tell me this is getting a big fat box of nothing for Christmas, like air.
If I reach my goal, buy me this. Not your goal.
So buy yourself a present. If you reach it, celebrate yourself.
Your goal. So why me I buy you something for your goal? I don't understand it.
I think people are going to think we're
no, but your goal, but if I reach my goal.
People are going to think we're very mean.
If you reach your goal, Merry Christmas. You reach your goal, be happy.
That can be a gift to
I'll buy you a congratulatory card. Use a hypothetical situation. If you buy me this, I'll wear it every day when I go to work.
I'm a people think something no more.
Must be a small
clothes, Zara.
It must be a very inconspicuous gift if you're going to wear it every day. So it must be a very small something. It must be like a bracelet or an earring or
I
a
mean,
watch.
that could be do too, but why would you need to goad somebody into, you know?
Why am I explaining what I'm going to do with it though? Because you can buy it for me and I think say it is so valuable, but only I go wear it on special occasions.
That's possible.
Maybe I that you for say.
Yes, maybe
You
that.
know, if you buy me this, it would mean so much to me.
Not
I would
going common
only
at
wear
all.
it on
Yeah,
special occasions.
Yeah. Because the notion is what? If you wear it every day, somebody's going to say to you, oh, you wear that every day, and you're going to say, oh, he bought it, or what?
Some I love it. I love it. I go wear it every day. No worry, some people buy your things and will tell you, say, I hope you wear it every day.
Okay. The last one says, send broadcast messages to family and friends with your wish list.
I know people who do this for their birthday as well. My birthday is coming up. These are the things that I would like to have for my birthday. Sometimes I read the list and I say, okay. Sometimes I read the list and I press delete. Because sometimes when I read the list, I say, okay. The person that sent me for a rubber bank coming out.
Well, this says many guys prefer a straight up and easy to understand request. Yes. When a girl sends me a message with her eyes, it doesn't annoy me. In fact, it makes it harder to say no. Guys have a hard time refusing when you stare them down. Is that true, guys? Not these. No. I look at her.
Well, this one, so when I see a girl holding back on what she wants, that actually makes me want to bite for her. Guys like it when a girl acts modest and humble.
Is that true, guys?
Wait! What she feel? I don't agree. You agree or dance? You dance. I'm not sure. I don't know where man touch you. You agree or the Christmas
if I'm rewarding her for working hard, I feel good about buying a present. When conditions are attached, some guys feel justified in gift giving. Conditions for gift giving. Interesting.
Conditions apply.
And when I see a girl being indecisive like that, I feel like she really wants it and it makes me want to buy it for her. Indecision can appeal to guys. Does this look good on me? Is another question that can get a guy involved. Of course, but
where the man here live?
Next thing we said, no, that don't.
Where this survey took place? I'm on Colorado. Or Alaska. This is a survey that never take place in Jamaica. You need to don't stop misleading Jamaican woman them. No man in Jamaica don't think like this, ma'am. I think about how happy she'd be if I bought it and I can't help myself. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Bunny Easter, warm summer. Can we just go, please? Uni.